Redis Labs is the company behind the popular open source Redis, an in-memory NoSQL database downloaded over 1 billion times. We have over 8,000 enterprise customers. In-memory databases tend to be expensive because RAM is more expensive than disk. The beauty of persistent memory is that it allows you to extend the use cases for things that before you couldn't have put an in-memory database because the price and the cost associated with managing this infrastructure was very, very high. The fact that Redis can utilize this new technology and provide in-memory experience at a fraction of the cost, this is the main benefit for our customers. Everyone is looking for an instant response time. Instant response time means less than 100 milliseconds from the time you click the button until you get the response from your application. With Intel Optane DC persistent memory, you can now practically put your entire data on an in-memory database and enjoy the sub-millisecond latency for your application performance. Now we have a way to extend the RAM with something that runs at approximately the same performance, but much more cheaper to use. This is why persistent memory is very important for us and for our customers. We believe that next generation server architecture will be all with persistent memory. This is going to change the entire database.